Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add inbound rules in 3CX. To configure DID rules, click on the Inbound Rules tab. DID rules control how your incoming calls route. Click on Add DID Rule. From here, you can name your rule and select your DID number. The DIDs are set up in your SIP trunk, which is demonstrated in our video on 3CX SIP trunk registration. The link will be in the description. Select your routing for both during and out-of-office hours. Specific office hours can be configured per inbound rule, or if set up in the PBX settings. They're global for all rules unless overridden here. Click on OK when you're finished. We'll next configure CID rules. CID rules control how incoming caller IDs are routed. Click on Add CID Rule. To configure a CID rule to block incoming calls, configure the following. Name your rule Block. Enter the caller ID, starting with an asterisk, then type in the 10-digit number. The asterisk is a wildcard on 3CX, as anything matching the asterisk will be matched to the rule. Select Voxtelesys as your trunk, then select End Call as the destination to route your call. To configure a CID rule to use a specific route, configure the following. Configure all the same settings as the Block Specific Route setting, except for the Name Your Rule setting, and make sure you route your calls to a specific extension. Congratulations! You've successfully set up inbound rules in 3CX. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX, as well as other helpful guides.